The Delhi High Court has now dismissed a plea which was seeking a stay on the release of the biopic on Prime Minister Modi. The plea here had claimed that the release of the film will violate the Election Commission's Model Code of Conduct. The film, which is due to release in the month of April, in fact, the release date was preponed as well, but the Delhi High Court there dismissing this plea. Our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja getting us further updates here on this. Meenakshi, given the fact, the nature of argument here that was made that a film would be violating the Model Code of Conduct, that entirely now has been shot down by the Delhi High Court.
Well, Sahil, the Delhi High Court has shot down this plea for now on the grounds that the Election Commission is already looking into the issue whether or not this biopic is indeed violative of the Model Code of Conduct. But that being said, traditionally, if we look at how the courts view the release of films, not just a biopic on Prime Minister Modi, but various other releases, the case laws are very well settled in India. As a matter of fact, even today in the morning, we saw the Supreme Court decline an urgent hearing for a stay on a biopic of the late NTR. So the courts in India do not traditionally interfere in the release of films unless absolutely necessary, because remember, one of the sacrosanct principles of our constitution here is the artistic freedom of expression and creativity, which time and again has been upheld by the Supreme Court.
That's right, but Meenakshi, should this case be seen differently, or is it also being argued differently? Because this is not with respect to whether or not a censor board has given a certificate. This is with respect to the violation of the Model Code of Conduct.
That is exactly what the High Court today has said, that this is a matter which is already pending before the Election Commission of India. Remember, that is the nodal quasi-judicial body of India. And while the Election Commission is seized of the matter, the Delhi High Court does not feel the need to intervene and step out of its jurisdiction and put a stay on the release of the biopic. Alongside other case laws that we have just been talking about, I have today ensured that the High Court for now has gone ahead and dismissed this PIL, which is seeking a stay on the release of biopic based on Prime Minister Modi.
Okay, all right, Meenakshi, thank you for explaining that. The reason why the Delhi High Court in this case as well has chosen to stay away from interfering with the process of a feature film being released.